S-Series of CNC Router is designed and engineered by experienced experts who are marked by skills and passion, the desire to create something good, and the will to reach further. Details matter to us. As a conscious contract supplier, quality control is our top priority. Time, the most precious thing to us, is spent looking back again and again to produce desirable CNC equipment to ensure our partner's success around the world for more than 10 years. S-Series is configured with industry-leading mechanical driving system, servo motor with braking locking with ball screw on Z-axis. On the long axis, we use two synchronized servo motors with planetary gearboxes and helical rack pinion systems. This boosts rapid, precise machining. With world-class ceramic bearings loaded, after strict dynamic balance testing, our air cooling auto tool changer is featured as reliable, powerful, and precise. Phenolic tabletop is applied, which guarantees perfect lasting planarity for a long run. After assembly, every machine will undergo run-in testing for 72 hours, which guarantees the assembly of machine is 100% correct and fully functionally tested before delivery. The S-Series of CNC Router provides diverse solutions for signage, display industry, interior fittings, and woodworking with its excellent cost effectiveness.